Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. We are here to solve this odd-even Sudoku that was created by Indian Grandmaster author Ashish Kumar for the WPF Sudoku Grand Prix round, the first of 2023, although I know for sure that this round was created back in 2022 as the spare round for the previous season. But I'm glad that we got to do this contest in 2023 because the puzzles were really of the highest quality. So the special rule of odd-even Sudoku is that whenever you have such a gray circle, it means that the digit is odd. And whenever you have such a gray square, it means that the digits are odd, or even. No, so sorry, circle is odd, square is even. So that's the standard convention in all those contests. So I just start with putting these two just by Sudoku, using those twos. And now using those, we know there must be a 2 somewhere here, but not on the circle, so that's a 2. And I certainly didn't do that during the contest, but that was certainly intended by Ashish. Now there's a 2 here and 3 squares here. Same happens here with 3 squares, so those squares must contain 4, 6, and 8. And actually we can eliminate some of the candidates, and we see that in this region the 4 goes there. And we also see that so some of the cells must contain odd digits. And I will also see that those ones put the 1 in here. And this 3 puts a 3 in there. And using this 3, you must have a 3 somewhere in here, but not on the square. And because of this, the 3 goes there. I'm being much more efficient than during the actual puzzle. During the actual contest, when I do the contest, I tend to just rush and put loads of pencil marks without finding the subtleties. So with the 3s here, we get a 3 here, and with those, we get a 3 here. So let's notice that this even digit must be a 4 or 6. And then, and we know that there must be a 4 somewhere in those 2 cells. Right. So is there something else, else that would be nice? 3 is not in there, so we must have a 3 in one of those 2 circles. And with that, well, there are 4 positions for 3s in here. That doesn't seem to be so interesting. So 8 goes in here by Sudoku, and it eliminates 8 from this, so that's a 6, and that's an 8. And now this 6 puts the 4 up there. And there must be a 6 in here, and because it's not on the circle, we get a 3-6 pair. So we know that this is also an odd digit. So while I was solving, I sometimes noticed, like I just did, that some digits had to contain, some cells had to contain odd digits or digits of a certain parity. And I used small pencil marks too. So I put a P for even, because that's the first letter in French, pair, and I put an I for impair for odd digits. So I'm just mentioning this. That's probably not so interesting. So now 9 is not here. It has to appear here, there, and there by Sudoku. 1 is not here, so 1 is in either of those. Is there anything else that I can do? Probably. Or should I go to heavy pencil marking? I'm trying not to do that because I'm seeing that I can sometimes do much better. Well, there's a one here that's not so restrictive. This is actually only 7 or 9, so that seems useful. 5, 7, or 9. I will soon go pencil. Oh, this 6 is in here. And we must have 5 and 7 somewhere around. So this is an odd digit. It's not 3 or 7, so it must be 1, 5, or 9. I think, and this column is still missing 1, 5, and 7, so I think I will switch to pencil marks now. I'm seeing 4s there, so there must be a 4 in here. And that's interesting because we also have a 4 in here, and on this column, I'm seeing that 4 has to go there. So there's a 4 in here. And with this 4 and this 4, 4 must be in this square, but it can't be on a circle. So that's some limitation on the positions of 4s. So am I going to heavy pencil marking? So this is from 579, and this is actually useful because we have a triple on this row, and we have located all odd digits. So those must be even digits. So this is from 6 and 8. This is from 4, 6, and 8. So, oh, and that's really useful because this is also, those are also even digits. So we have located all even digits. So 4 can't go there. And actually, this can only be 6 or 8. So this is a 4. This is not a 4. This is a 4. This is not a 4. This is a 4. And those are odd digits. And there again, we have all odd digits in here. We have 5 odd digits on this column, so the remaining cells must contain even digits. Oh, that is a 4 by Sudoku. And those must be the even digits, the remaining even digits in the columns. And 8 can only be here, and the remaining 2 are 2 and 6. And this is 6 or 8. So those are from 1, 5, 7, 9. Well, let's do some semi-heavy pencil marking. Not so heavy, really not that much. This also has only 3 options, and this has 4 options, except that it does not, because on this column 5 is here. So that's not 5, and that's not 5. That's not 5, that's not 1, so 3, 7, or 9. This row, this column perhaps, we know that 8 is in here, so those are from 5, 7, 9 as well. Those are from 5, 7, and 8. Those are from 5, 7, and 6. This is a 2. That's the only remaining even digit on the row. So this can only be a 6 because of this and that. And this is now a 2, this is now a 6, and that's a 3, and that's a 6. So now with those 6s, I can put a 6 in here, which resolves the 8-6 pair in here, and this 8-6 pair as well. So 8 is not here after all, 8 is down there, and 6 is not here, it's up there. It's really going much better than during the contest. And what I did not mention, and that's not so relevant, oh, that's an 8, is that I started the round by this puzzle, and I broke it after something like 5 minutes, so it was a bit unnerving. So this column still needs 3, 5, 7, 9. Oh, that's not a 2. The 2 is here. I think I've got all even digits. No, there's a 2 missing, and it has to go there. So I've placed, no, I still need to place an 8 here, and here, and a 6 there. All right, all even digits have been placed, so now it's standard Sudoku with odd digits. So we have 7 and 9 there. We need a 3 on this row. It's not here, it's there. So that's a 1. And 3 goes there. 5, 7, 9, so that's a 1. I can remove this one here and place this one thanks to the pencil mark. No one here, so that's a 1, 9 pair. 5, 7, so that's a 7. That's a 9, that's a 7, that's a 9. That's the 5, that's the 7. 5, 9, and 7 is not here, it's here. So 5 and 9 pair here. The counterpart of this 5, 9 is down there. That's not 9, that's not 9, so this is 9. And this 3 here eliminates that, so that's the 3. And this 7 here places 5 and 7, and then 5 and 7, and 5, and 7 and 5, and 9 here. It goes much smoother. And in my memory, 5 there, 9 here, 1 there, and 7 there, and it doesn't trigger. Why is that? Did I make a mistake? Well, it wouldn't be my first. Well, I have to pause the video and check on something. Alright, there was a mistake in the PenPal app, in the PenPal link that I created for myself. I put a wrong digit somewhere in the expected solution. So what I did here for you was correct, and it was much, and I think it was really correct in the solving path as well. It was much better than what I did during the contest, and I'm really glad I've done this video. Thanks for watching it, and see you soon on SudoKanard.